Hi, this is Jason with Dave's Computer Tips with another how-to video for you. This one's on how to save on Amazon. That's right, with all the prices going up, it's good to know where you can find some good deals. And I'm going to show you the place on Amazon where you can find some like 50% off deals, you know, anywhere but from like 25% off. I even found a 65% off deal. So I'm going to show you how to do that in this video on the Amazon.com, the website, and I'll show you how to do it on the Amazon app. That way you know both places to find these great deals. All right, before we get going, hit the like on the video. It really helps out our channel. Also hit the subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos we come out with every Thursday. Okay, let's get into this because I know you all want to learn. So let's go to our, I'm on my Google Chrome, whatever browser you use, it works. Go to Amazon.com, log into your account, and then once you're done being logged in, you want to go over to the left side to where it says all, and click on that, and then you want to scroll down until you find program and features, and then what you want to do is go down to see all under there and then click on that, and then you're going to scroll down a little further, and here's the place you're going to find the good deals. It's called Amazon Outlet. They have an outlet section, so click on that, and that's going to pull up the outlet. Sorry about the loud noise there. The outlet will show up, and this is where you can find, like I said, up to 50% and sometimes more than that. I found quite a few that were above that. You even found a 70%. I think I found another one of those. And you can do this, you can search. So you'll see today's deals, but you're on the outlet. So if you're not under here, just click on that outlet link at the top, and then you can scroll down. You can search by home and furniture, outdoors, patio, stuff like that. Even all overstock deals. Overstock deals usually get a better deal. So that's a great one to look at. But if you want to search this by category, this is the way I shop. I go to the category first, then I find the deals under that. So electronics, that's mainly where I go. PC, that'd be a great place to go. So you can find it here pretty quickly. This is on the Amazon.com website. Very easy to navigate on this. Once you know where it is, it's easy to navigate. Then you can just search around for it. Let's look at all overstock deals. And they'll bring you over here and it shows you all the overstock stuff. So that's how you find it on the website. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that with the Amazon app, where you can find really great deals on Amazon. Okay, now we're on my Motorola Edge Android phone, and this one is for the Amazon app. How do you find the cool Amazon outlet on the app? So the way to do this, you're going to find your Amazon app, which is mine's right here. You're going to tap here, and it's going to pull up the app, and then you're going to go down to the bottom and you're going to tap on the three lines at the bottom right, the menu line, and it's going to bring up this menu. And then on this menu, you're going to look for up at the top right there on the right side is deals and savings. Tap on that and that'll pull up a little menu and you'll find what we're looking for, Amazon Outlet, and you want to tap on that. And exactly the way it was on the website, you can do the same thing here. So if you want to do by category, you can scroll all the way down to here, and here's the shop by category area, which I like to use the most. And that is where you can find all those amazing deals and save yourself 30 up to 50%, sometimes more. And that's where you can find it. And this is where you can save some money on Amazon. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching.
Make sure to check out DavesComputerTips.com, where all our articles are, and make sure to subscribe to this channel. And thanks for watching.